In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order and pay on the Nordstrom app, ensuring a smooth and seamless shopping experience right from your mobile device, whether you're a frequent shopper or new to the Nordstrom experience. This guide will walk you through every step with clarity and ease, making sure you can confidently shop with just a few taps. First, let's get started by opening the Nordstrom app or visiting the website. This is your gateway to a wide range of fashion items, home goods, and much more. Once you're there, it can be a good idea to look around and familiarize yourself with different sections if you haven't done that already. When you're ready to make a selection, you might want to head over to the women's section by clicking on it. This section offers everything from clothing to accessories, so you're sure to find something appealing. Now, let's narrow down your choices by clicking on matching sets. This will bring up a collection of coordinated outfits that are perfect for those who love cohesive styles. Once you've found a set that catches your eye, you'll want to click on it to view the available options. Next, click on the size selection area to choose the size that best fits you. For our example, we're selecting medium, but of course you'll want to choose whatever size works best for you. With your favorite set and size selected, it's time to add it to your virtual shopping bag. Simply click on Add to Bag and confirm your selection. You're off to checkout when you're ready to complete your purchase. You can click on the shopping bag icon, typically found in the upper right corner, and then select Checkout to proceed with your purchase. To ensure your order goes smoothly, you'll need to enter some personal details. Start by typing in your name and address, which will be essential for shipping purposes. Remember to check the box for saving your address for future purchases if you want to make repeat shopping more convenient. Continue by entering your email and contact number, providing a way to receive order confirmations and updates. With your details in place, click on Continue to Payment, where you can choose your preferred payment method. Opt for card if you're paying with a credit or debit card, then carefully input your card details. Double check for accuracy to avoid any potential delays. Finally, with all your information complete and checked, click on Pay Now to submit your order, and just like that, you've successfully navigated the Nordstrom app to order and pay for your chosen items. By following these steps carefully, you can enjoy the convenience and style that Nordstrom offers, all from the comfort of your own home. Happy shopping!